is what I love. The sound of rain. You guys can hear it. I love the sound of rain on rooftop. Yeah. Sounds nice. Sounds nice. Sounds really nice. I am loving the weather. The weather is nice. Woo! I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I love morning rain. I love Sunday morning rain. As I walk up on the road, it's raining much harder than it was when I did the first video. I don't mind. I don't mind. I go see what I go on the road. I'm not the supermarket. I'm still about them. I'm my eyeglass. My eyeglass. I'm not going to go there. But me I go there still. Yes. Morning, morning, morning. Happy Sunday, Balkan Swami. Yes, it's Sunday. And guys, it's raining. It's raining and I'm enjoying it. Well, you know that we were not under hurricane watch, but some straight up the start from Elsa. Well, good news is that Elsa has been downgraded to a tropical storm, which is good. Yeah. Yes, so but we're getting a little rain. We're getting a little rain. And I'm loving the rain. I love morning rain. It has been raining from last night, which is good. A lot of lightning, which is bad. I don't like lightning. Yeah, but I welcome the rain. As I said, it has been raining the entire night. It's not raining hard now, so I'm gonna show you. It's not so bad now. Yeah. But look at the skies. Gray. Yeah, but it's a beautiful morning. I'm going to enjoy. I guess what I'm going on the road. I have this habit of going to the supermarket every Sunday morning. I don't know why. Even because Saturday I still go back Sunday morning. It's a habit, and I'm planning on breaking that habit. Yeah, but not this morning. Not this morning. I'm going on the road this morning. Probably I have the refill water, but I don't have case water. I try to have case water along with refill water. So yeah, basically that's what I'm just going to get. It's not needed to have refill water, but as I said, it's a habit to go on the road. And today when I put on the hard, I'm gonna do some roast meat fruit and curry chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this weather. Well, how long it lasts, I don't know. Yeah. Alright guys, they said goat love rain. Yeah. Alright, so I'm feeling sorry, let me show you. Feeling sorry for these goats, right? There they are. In the rain. Oh Lord, poor little goaties. Oh, I'm sure they would have felt much better if I were eating them, you know? And I would have felt much better because I sound like a horrible being. I'm not gonna lie, I love curry goat though. Love curry goat. Alright, so guys, so yeah, so as I said before, it's a beautiful day. It is beautiful. My only problem is that GPS won't allow me to enjoy this weather. I just want to cook, lay in bed, watch YouTube, browse Facebook, you know, use the internet to my liking. But GPS is literally raining on my parade right now. Like the current goes every 2 minutes, I'm not lying. It just keeps shipping out. And if Elsa is not here and we're not getting any severe weather, so to speak, because it's raining but it's not severely, what will happen if the weather becomes severe? That means we're going to be in total darkness. No, GPS, you have to do better. You have to do better. The current went Sunday. It went Sunday, and when it came back, the fridge from Sunday, the fridge doesn't work. The fridge is out. I've got somebody to look on it, and the person is not able to fix it. So, you know, I'm concerned. How much damage the GPS are going to do? GPS? How much damage you plan to do? Apparently, it looks like it will cause more damage than the hurricane itself. Do better now. Don't ruin me. Don't. Let me enjoy the weather now. Let me enjoy the nice weather now. Jeez. Yes, people. So take a look at it one more time. What it looks like. Yeah, it's raining. It's raining. Oh, it's beautiful. Look back that side. Oh God. Gray skies. Totally gray. Totally gray. Yeah. You see how country nice, see how country mountainous are nice? Yeah. This is basically the view from the third floor. And I'm loving it. Alright people, see you. Ah. As if inside here is dark because it's raining. The lighting is poor. I can turn on the light. Let me see if any difference. Let me turn it off. See what's outside there. You can stop the wipe and see if you see how hard it's raining. It's not raining too hard. No, it's not. Wow. The man walking in the rain. I hit the pothole. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to see out the potholes because yeah, water full them up. So I have to crawl now. I have to take my time and try to remember the ones I can. So it's raining hard, I know. Did the place dead? Normally that's Sunday the place that come and look over the gas station to see what's going on over there. See man with the plastic over I made. Yeah. So I'm in Chapelton. Chapelton now. Yeah. Okay. So you see how many cars about that supermarket there? That supermarket. Most definitely can see. That supermarket just open. It's a nice supermarket. But that's not where I'm going. Going to my old supermarket. Oh, it's my old supermarket over here, so over there we go. turn. Maize gonna turn. There's another supermarket right here. You see how many supermarkets we have up in our little bush? And if you new one open over this store, yeah, no, I'm thinking of a little bush. This is like 5 minutes away from my home, okay? 5 minutes from my yard. So as I was saying, I have this bad habit. See? Come okay. My aunt's on Sunday morning time. I don't know why. For some go foolishness, you have one item. Look at as that's my timing. I don't know why I leave my yard. Even if I go to the supermarket and maybe I still find something to come for chop time in a Sunday morning. Never have to. Never have to, never have to, never have to. Alright, so yeah. Shoot, I left my umbrella. I left the umbrella. So you know who going to get wet. I left my umbrella for this. Must get not up. Yeah, that's my umbrella. I feel like every Sunday, anytime I vlog on Sunday. Why do I get the feeling that whenever I vlog on Sunday, this is my van, the marina, yeah. And if I'm Sunday, it look like I'm Sunday marina. Just have the feeling it's everywhere over. Every Sunday vlog will do this my van. Okay. Alright, so I'm going inside. I hate getting wet. I'm not telling a lie. I don't like getting wet. I don't like get wet none at all. Only time if you get wet when I bathe. Can't believe the umbrella in my car. I want to leave the umbrella somewhere. Because see the case here, but no umbrella. Shoot. Alright guys, it's still raining. It's a beautiful day. I have to turn on the lights earlier than normal because it's raining. It's kind of dark. I don't cook. I never bother do the roast red fruit as I said earlier. My mom said she wants me to cook. She wanted tonka meal and country style chicken. So that's what I cooked. And I did pine, cherry, mango and ginger juice. So I'm gonna feed off my face a good rain food. Nothing fancy. But guys, you know, so I really stand up and stop to show off for me pump. Catch Blake's glow. Don't worry, guys, I went inside the bathroom to use the bathroom and when I looked in the mirror and see how my skin was glowing, I put on a little lip gloss. I'm not gonna wear just some extra. I just love the glow here. I'm doing skincare routine. I've been in the last video, remember I told you guys that I'm gonna start doing skincare routine, and let me tell you this. Oh God, the best decision I've ever made. The best decision. What I need to do now is start drinking water. In previous videos, if you watched them, you would have seen where I'm complaining that I'm having cramps, severe cramps, muscle contract and all of that. And I was thinking that probably because I'm eating excess mangoes as to why I'm having these cramps. I did a little research and I realized that part of it could be that I'm dehydrated and I don't drink water. So let me tell you guys, once I did the research and I found out that it could be dehydration and I started drinking water, the cramps went. And that is like 3 days ago. So you can imagine the skincare routine look like this and water is not really added to it yet. What going to happen? What going to happen when I add water to it? Skincare, I say the skin will glow. Jesus. Look there. Look there. Yeah. Come on, chop. Guys, this is it. This is my turned cornmeal with country style chicken. As I said, I'm not doing anything hard. It's raining. I'm not in the mood. I'm not going to say nobody has have time for the cooking. I'm not in the mood. Just did something simple. Yeah. So this is it. And this is my juice. Pineapple with cherry, mango and ginger. Alright guys, this is my mother's dinner. I'm not ready to eat yet. I'm just gonna sit in the mirror and watch the glow. My skin glow.
Alright, Bonk and Sam, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a video. Alright, so I'm just in the mirror watching the glow, watching my skin glow. Am I the only one who get excited over skin glow? Can't be. Can't be. Guys, every meet me, I go to the bathroom just to look at my skin. And it's just the bathroom mirror more I see it in. Yeah, I have other mirrors in my house. But yeah, watch glow. Watch glow. Watch glow. Watch glow.